Alrighty, let's take a look at number 4. Number 4 is assessing us on how to add and subtract integers presented in a word problems format. Okay, alright, so problem 4 reads, a principal bought 312 brownies for the students and another 28 brownies for the teachers. How many total brownies did the principal buy for the students and the teachers? All right, so let's go over the formula for scenarios like this, where you have two parts and you're asked to find what's the part is together. So the formula is as follows. So total of the parts, in this particular case we have two parts, total of part 1 and part 2. Together is what? Well, since you're looking at what they are together, all you're just going to do, the operation here is you're going to add, okay? So it's going to be number in part 1 plus number in part 2. And that's going to be the answer. All right, so in this particular case, what are we looking at? Brownies. So let's adapt this formula to the scenario that we're looking at. So the total number of brownies is going to be the number of brownies in part 1. So part 1 is what? What is part 1? Students. So that's part 1. Let's call that P1. Number for students. Number for the students, part 1, plus part 2, which is what? The teachers. The number for the teachers, we're going to call that P2, okay? So P1 for the students, P2 for the teachers, so plus the number for the teachers. And we're going to put it into this formula right now. So number for the students, number of brownies for the students is 312. Plus the number of brownies for the teachers, which is 28. Okay? All right, so let's add it up. 3, 1, 2. So when you're adding two integers, please make sure that you align them in such a way that the identical place values are vertically configured. Alrighty, so you have we're just using the stack method here to add these two integers. So these are the ones place, so line it up. You don't want to put the 28 here and mess up the whole sum. So nicely lined up, let's go ahead and add. 2 plus 8 is 10, 0 carry 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, 340 is your answer. So the question to number 4 is 340. That's the total number of brownies for the students and the teachers combined. Okay, answer to question number 4 is option letter B. For taking the time to watch this presentation, we really appreciate it. If you found the contents of this presentation helpful in your preparation for the upcoming Accuplacer, do give us a thumbs up. Your positive feedback is very valuable to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We upload math tutorials to our page on a regular basis, so go ahead and do that. And as indicated earlier, questions or comments should be included in the comment section below, and we will try our best to respond. To gain access to other valuable resources, including our interactive practice tests, take a look at our website at mathgotserved.com, or you can just take a look at the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.